In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in TradingView. Whether you're honing your skills in technical analysis or simply keeping track of market trends, having the right font size can make all the difference in readability and user comfort. So let's walk through the process together, ensuring your TradingView charts are not only informative, but also easy on the eyes. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're there, log into your account to access your personalized settings and charts. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you already have one, please go ahead and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, locate your chart. This is where all the action happens and where you'll make the necessary changes to improve the visibility of your data. Look through your list of existing charts, or if you're starting from scratch, you can create a new one to proceed. Now direct your attention to the settings, which you'll find represented by a gear icon, usually situated within the chart interface. Go ahead and click on this icon to open the settings menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing your chart's appearance and functionality to suit your precise needs. Within the settings menu, you'll find several tabs. Look for the option labeled Canvas. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of settings, including those relating to text and other visual elements of your chart. Under the Canvas section, pay close attention to the area marked Text. This is the section where you can adjust the overall font size to enhance readability. Adjusting the font size here will allow you to tailor how you view critical information on your chart, making data points easily discernible without straining your eyes. Feel free to experiment with different font sizes until you find the one that works best for your viewing comfort and screen size. This step is all about personal preference, so take the time to find what suits you best. Once you've settled on a font that enhances your chart's readability, it's time to apply these changes. Lastly, make sure all your adjustments have been made to your liking and click OK. This step will confirm the changes you've implemented, ensuring that your charts reflect the new font settings you have selected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully adjusted the font size on TradingView, optimizing your charts for better readability and a more efficient analysis experience. Remember, a comfortable view can significantly enhance your performance in reviewing and analyzing market trends. Now, you're all set to explore and enjoy your newly customized TradingView charts.